I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today, we will learn the CBSE and NIOS essentials of the solubility product, also called Ksp, with a clean, step-by-step method and a worked example. First, what is the solubility product? A slightly soluble salt, for example silver chloride, establishes an equilibrium with its ions in water. Let's picture that with a simple beaker, a little solid at the bottom and some ions in solution. The solubility product Ksp is the product of equilibrium ion concentrations. Ksp equals concentration of silver plus times concentration of chloride minus. Notice that the solid does not appear in the expression. Now, how do we write Ksp for any salt? If a general salt A sub P B sub Q dissolves to give Pa to the Q plus and Qb to the P minus, then Ksp equals the concentration of A to the Q plus raised to power P times the concentration of B to the P minus raised to power Q. The pure solid is omitted from the expression. Let us connect Ksp to the molar solubility, S. If S moles per liter of a sub Pb sub Q dissolve, then at equilibrium, the concentration of A to the Q plus equals Ps, and the concentration of B to the P minus equals Qs. Substituting into K sub Sp gives K sub Sp equals P to the P times Q to the Q times S to the P plus Q. For example, silver chromate, Ag2CrO4, dissolves to give 2 silver plus and 1 chromate 2 minus. If solubility is S, then K sub Sp equals 4S cubed. Next, precipitation predictions. We form the ionic product Q using the same powers as K sub Sp. If Q is less than K sub Sp, the solution is unsaturated and no precipitate forms. If Q equals K sub Sp, the solution is saturated and at equilibrium. If Q is greater than K sub Sp, the solution is supersaturated and precipitation occurs. Now, a sample problem for practice. Calculate the molar solubility of barium fluoride in pure water, given K sub Sp of BaF2 equals 1.7 times 10 to the minus 6. Step 1. Write the dissolution. BaF2 solid gives Ba2 plus 2F minus. Step 2. Let solubility equal S. Then concentration of Ba2 plus equals S, and concentration of fluoride equals 2S. Step 3. Substitute into the K sub Sp expression. K sub Sp equals S times open 2S closed squared equals 4S cubed. Solve for S. 4S cubed equals 1.7 times 10 to the minus 6. So S cubed equals 4.25 times 10 to the minus 7, and the cube root gives S approximately 7.5 times 10 to the minus 3 molar. Let us quickly recap the exam steps. 1. Write the balanced dissolution. 2. Put equilibrium ion concentrations in terms of S. 3. Write K sub Sp and substitute. 4. Solve for S. And finally, use Q versus K sub Sp to predict if a precipitate will form when solutions are mixed. Great work! With K sub Sp, molar solubility, and Q versus K sub Sp, you are ready for typical CBSE and NIOS questions. Practice a few more, and you will master this topic.